Data type refers to a set of values and the operations that can be performed on them. It really describes the kind of data the value can have. Swift has a standard set of built-in data types for storing numbers, strings, and Boolean values. Integers are whole number values. For example, 4, -2, 0, 999, etc. Swift type int represents integer values. Let's see a few examples of how to declare int type variables. In the first example, we assign integer value 32 to the variable number of people. Swift compiler infers the type as int from the value assigned to the variable. In the second example, we use type annotation to explicitly tell that the variable total hours owned should be int. Decimal is a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Example, 5.9 minus 4.2, etc. Swift type float and double represent decimal values. You can use floats for decimals that require not more than 6 decimal digits. If you need more precision, you can use double. If you don't specify any type, Swift's type inference will use double as default. Here are a couple of examples of declaring constants with double type values. In the first case, we don't specify any type while assigning the value 12.9 to the constant product price. Swift compiler automatically infers type as double. In the second example, we use type annotation to tell the constant should be of type double. If we want to declare a variable or constant of type float, we need to use explicit type annotation as shown in this example. In Swift, text data is represented by string type. Strings are simply text surrounded by double quotes. As you can see, we put the text hello world in double quotes and assign that to greeting variable. Using type of function, we can see greeting has string type. To declare a string that spans multiple lines, we surround them by 3 double quotation marks. If the multi-line string includes a line break, that line break also appears in the string. In our example, there is a line break after the second line, so we get an empty line after the second line when we print the string. In Swift, there is a built-in data type which can store one of two possible values, true or false. This type is known as bool, short for boolean. We can see few examples of booleans. Notice, true or false is written without quotes. As we progress through the course, we will see booleans are very useful with conditionals and loops.